Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since we've posted. We've been a little bit busy, but we've got a bit of a treat for you tonight. On the weekend we went out and we did some fishing, and more importantly we did some crabbing. And we've got some beautifully cleaned and ready to go some blue swimmer crabs. So tonight I'm going to whip up a quick little chili crab recipe, a little bit of a Greek chili crab recipe. So hopefully you'll enjoy it and see how simple it is to make. So stay tuned. Okay, well the first ingredient is chopped onion, and we're applying that to some very hot olive oil. We get that all going pretty quickly. We've got some chopped ginger and some chopped garlic to follow on as well. So we'll just get the garlic going until it becomes translucent, and then we'll add the other two parts. Okay, well the onions are now translucent, which is the way that we like them. We add in the ginger and we add in 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Now we don't want the garlic to overcook, as we know, because it doesn't take long for it to burn. We'll get that. Oh, it's already smelling. The aromas are coming up beautiful. And we just keep that off the sides because it's got no oil in. Let that simmer away. And of course, chili crabs would not be chili crabs without some chili paste. So we use, I think usually about 1 teaspoon of really nice chili paste is fantastic. So we whack that in there, and the chili, the onion, the garlic, and the ginger are all shaking hands. And oh my god, the aroma is just absolutely fantastic. So we'll just get that going for a little while. And that's looking really, really good. We'll add a little bit of salt right now. So add a little bit of cracked pepper as well. We love our cracked pepper for a little bit of flavour on both the chili. And we'll add a bit of salt as well, cracked rock salt, which is absolutely the best. All that smelling really, really nice. And the crabs aren't even in there yet. Okay, the next thing we do is we add some passata, which is, and Honey likes the sauce of passata very thick. So I'm going to actually put in 2 whole bottles, or nearly 1.5 litres, and I'm not going to add any water because we want it to be nice and thick. So 2 bottles of passata. This is pretty cheap stuff anyway, so we can afford to put 2 bottles in there. And because this is raw, it hasn't been cooked, what we do now is we lower the heat and let the sauce cook, because if we add the crabs in too early, they'll overcook and they'll go all mushy. So what we do now is we put the lid back on, and we lower the heat to let it just simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes before we add the crabs. So it's as simple as that. The trick is, however, to get the crabs in for no more than 10 minutes and to take them out, because normally when you cook crabs you either steam them or you boil them for about 7 or 8 minutes, and you put them straight into ice water. That sets the meat beautifully. We don't have that luxury when we do them this way, because we're not going to take them out of that beautiful sauce and then put them in ice water. So we've got to make sure that we don't overcook them. The setting of the meat is not possible, so we're just going to let them cool and set their own in a very natural way. So yeah, we'll come back in about 10 or 15 minutes and add the crabs. Okay, well the passata now has cooked and is ready for us to add the crabs. So we're going to add the crabs gently. We don't want to just throw them all in there. We want to try and place them so that they're all covered by the sauce, and then they can cook evenly. So we just place them all in there gently, and then push them down to make sure that they get coated and they're all fully covered and submerged in the tomato sauce.
So just gently place them in there, and then yep, there we go, they're all in there now. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to make sure that we push them down gently so that they're all covered and that they all cook evenly. It's important that we do that. That way we don't have to interrupt them when they're being cooked, so that we don't have to roll them or toss them or anything like that. They'll all cook nice and evenly. And as I said before, they only need about 5 or 10 minutes, 10 minutes at the most, for them to cook. So we'll just put the lid on and come back in about 10 minutes, and they should be ready.
Na mayroon tayong kulang, para yatang wala na akong natutunan. At isang gabi, ako'y nalunod sa titig mo kay lamig. Kitang kita na tayo'y nasasabik sa pag-asang balang araw di na magkatabi. Mahirap pag-isipang di na tayo magkikita. Maaari bang maulit ang pagmamahal? Hindi ko na makaya at di na may...
Okay, this is what it's all about, guys. Fettuccine with the crab and the beautiful sauce. So, Cainteo, Cagliorixi, bon appetit. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this very, very simple recipe. Like all my recipes, they're very, very simple and very easy to make. So please follow. All you need is the ingredients, crabs. We're going to probably go out again this weekend because they're really just starting to come on now. So if you haven't subscribed, we've got over 11,000 subscribers now. That's you guys out there. Thanks so much. Keep giving us the thumbs up. Keep making the comments and the suggestions, and we'll keep producing. So thank you so much. If you haven't become a subscriber yet, think about it. Come on board. Press the notification bell so you'll get advice every time we post something. And give us a thumbs up. And also tell us where you're watching from. As I said before, we've got people all over the world. So thanks once again. Enjoy, as I am about to do right now. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Maaari bang maulit ang pagmamahal? Hindi ko na makaya.